Now, there is no end in sight for the drawn-out contractual dispute between the Jamaica Football Federation and the former General Secretary Dalton Wint. This after a third conciliation meeting between both parties at the Ministry of Labour on Thursday again ended without a resolution to the matter, which dates back to June 2022 when the JFF asked Wint to resign. According to TVJ Sports sources, the next step will be for the Minister of Labour and Social Security to decide whether the matter is referred to the Industrial Disputes Tribunal (IDT). Wint is seeking to be compensated in full based on his employment agreement with the JFF between January 1, 2020 and December 31, 2023. Wint was due to receive $9.5 million for the remaining period of his contract. However, it's understood that the former General Secretary was only paid up to December last year under the severance package offered by the JFF.